Introduction to Python and Compilers. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language popular for its simplicity and wide range of applications. A Python compiler is a tool that translates Python code to a language that a computer can understand. Online Python compilers are web-based tools that allow writing, compiling, and executing Python code without need for local installation. Benefits of using an online Python compiler: easy access. Online compilers can be used from anywhere with an internet connection. No installation required. Online compilers eliminate the need for local installation, saving storage space and avoiding potential installation issues. Quick debugging. Online compilers often have integrated debugging tools that aid in identifying and rectifying errors. Examples of online Python compilers: REPL.it, a user-friendly, free online Python compiler that also supports many other programming languages. Python Fiddle, a free online Python compiler with a simple and clear interface for writing Python code. How to use an online Python compiler. Writing code. Users write Python code in the provided text editor. Compiling code. Code is compiled by clicking the Run button, translating Python code into machine code. Running code. The compiler executes the compiled code and displays the output on screen. Tips and tricks for using an online Python compiler. Keep code clean and organized for easier debugging and understanding. Use comments to explain complex parts of the code. Always save the code manually to prevent loss of work. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Syntax errors. Ensure to follow Python syntax rules to avoid syntax errors. Name errors. Define variables and functions before using them to avoid name errors. Type errors. Ensure data types are compatible with operations being performed on them to avoid type errors. Conclusion. An online Python compiler is a powerful tool that enhances the programming experience. It provides a convenient platform for writing, compiling, and executing Python code.